As the southernmost continent, Antarctica is a landscape of extremes, where silence is broken only by cracking ice and the calls of penguins. Towering glaciers and vast ice shelves stretch endlessly, hiding secrets vital to our planet's future. With no permanent cities or population, and almost no vegetation, it appears inhospitable. Yet, beneath its ice lies 90% of Earth's ice and 70% of its fresh water. Antarctica is a unique ecosystem and a scientific treasure trove, crucial for understanding our planet's past and future. Many nations operate research stations here, protected by international agreements for peaceful use. Why does this frozen desert matter so much? Because its fate could affect everyone on Earth. Antarctica is a linchpin in the balance of our world. Its ancient glaciers preserve secrets stretching back hundreds of thousands of years. Scientists from around the globe come here, seeking answers about rising sea levels and shifting climate patterns. Antarctica's story is about more than survival. It's about understanding the forces that shape life on Earth. Antarctica holds 90% of the world's ice and 70% of its fresh water, locked away in glaciers and ice sheets. If these reserves melt, sea levels could rise dramatically, threatening cities and nations worldwide. The ice is a living archive, trapping ancient air and recording climate history over 800,000 years. Scientists drilled deep to extract these frozen time capsules, revealing cycles of warming, cooling, and the impact of human activity. Antarctica's ice acts as a thermostat, reflecting sunlight and regulating global climate. When the ice grows, sea levels fall. When it melts, oceans rise. Even small changes can have global consequences. Recent studies show alarming thinning in parts of the West Antarctic ice sheet. Accelerating glaciers raise concerns about irreversible tipping points. These shifts could reshape coastlines and displace millions. Antarctica's ice is both a guardian and a warning. Its preservation is vital for all life. Understanding and protecting this frozen reservoir is critical for our future. In its ice, we find both the memory of Earth's rhythms and an urgent call to action. Antarctica is one of the last places on Earth largely untouched by humans, a natural laboratory for scientific discovery. Its remoteness and extreme cold offer unique opportunities to study our planet in its purest state. Scientists from over 30 countries collaborate here, advancing knowledge for all humanity. The continent's clean air provides a baseline for measuring global pollution and tracking atmospheric changes. Instruments detect even faint shifts in greenhouse gases, vital for understanding climate change. Antarctica is also a window to the cosmos, with telescopes observing the universe's origins. Meteorologists and glaciologists use Antarctic data to improve global weather and climate models. Microbes thriving in the cold inspire new ideas in medicine and industry. The resilience of life here expands our understanding of adaptation and survival. Antarctica is a proving ground for human ingenuity and cooperation. Its value as a scientific laboratory is immense. Discoveries made here ripple outward, shaping our understanding of Earth and beyond. Antarctica is a dynamic force in the world's climate. Its ice sheets reflect solar energy, cooling the planet, a phenomenon called the albedo effect. Cold, dense water formed by sea ice drives ocean currents, circulating heat and nutrients globally. Even small changes in Antarctic ice can disrupt climate systems, raising sea levels and altering ocean currents. These shifts influence weather patterns worldwide, from monsoons to hurricanes. Scientists use satellites and ground observations to monitor changes in ice and climate. The data is crucial for predicting climate change and preparing for its impacts. Antarctica's fate is tied to the fate of the world. Protecting its role in global climate is essential for every community and future generation. Antarctica is not owned by any nation, but governed by the Antarctic Treaty system, preserving it for peace and science. Since 1959, the treaty has prohibited military activity, mining, and nuclear testing, making Antarctica a model of international cooperation. Over 50 nations operate research stations here, working together in pursuit of knowledge. Yet beneath the ice and surrounding seas lie untapped resources, minerals, oil, and fisheries. As global demand grows, so does interest in these resources, challenging the treaty's protections. Geopolitical tensions sometimes arise, with nations increasing their presence or making territorial claims. The future of Antarctic governance depends on continued diplomacy and respect for shared stewardship. Antarctica's unique status inspires hope for cooperation over competition. The choices made here set a precedent for managing shared spaces on Earth and beyond. Despite its harshness, Antarctica supports life found nowhere else: emperor penguins, krill, whales, and more. The Southern Ocean is a vital feeding ground, with krill at the heart of the food web. Without krill, the entire ecosystem would collapse. Antarctica's wildlife is resilient, but vulnerable to changes in sea ice and temperature. Scientists monitor animal populations as indicators of ecosystem health. Beneath the ice, unique microbes thrive, offering clues about life's origins and survival in extremes. Protecting this biodiversity is essential for global ocean health. International agreements aim to safeguard these fragile systems, but vigilance is needed as climate change and human activity increase. Antarctica is a sanctuary for life, a reminder of our responsibility to protect the wonders of the natural world. Antarctica is far more than a frozen wilderness. It stores most of Earth's fresh water, regulates climate, supports unique wildlife, and advances science. It stands as a symbol of peaceful international cooperation. The decisions we make about Antarctica will shape the future of our planet. Its fate is closely connected to our own. If you found this content valuable, please like, subscribe, and share to help us spread awareness. Thank you for watching.